Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install TradingView indicator with script. See, this is a TradingView chart window, and right here you can see Pine editor. So click on the Pine editor and maximize this pane, and then select this previous text here. Select Control A and delete it. Okay. After that, uh, go to your desktop or anything where you downloaded the script which I sent via telegram. Okay, then select on this file and select Control A, then Control C, or right click and copy. Okay, uh, then come again to this fine editor. Just play just press Control V to paste uh, what you have copied. Okay, so the indicator text you copy here, then you can name whatever you want, whatever name you wanted to place here, then save, click save, then add to chart. After you added the charts, it will showing like this, and the indicator started working right away. Okay, thanks for watching. Yes. Hope you find it useful. Please make sure like and subscribe my channel, and please do like all my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.